witness. What is resurrection? What is resurrection? Is Jesus rising from the what? The dead, yes. And it took place on the third day, yes? The morning. And because remember that we believe that Jesus was crucified on a Friday afternoon. So there were witnesses. The first witness of the risen Christ was the holy women. From verse 1 to verse 12, Luke chapter 24. Can we read? Here what we are saying is it was on a Sunday morning, whereby you have to remember the women. Mary Magdalene, who else? Salome, and Mary, mother of Jesus. They went to prepare the body for proper burial with the spices. And when they arrived at the tomb, they found that the stone had been rolled away. And then they saw two what? Two men with dazzling clothes. And the men asked them, where are you looking for the who? For the risen among the dead. So they learned that Jesus the resurrected. Who did they tell? They told the who? The apostles. Yes, but the apostles rejected the women's testimony. Yes. And Peter ran back to the tomb. He ran back there and found it what? Empty. So the first witness of the risen Christ was who? The testimony of the holy women. Who are the holy women? I've just told you. Mary Magdalene, who else? Salome and Mary, mother of Jesus. The second.
But on the first day of the week, down, they went to the tomb, taking the spice which they had prepared.
And they found the stone brought away from the tomb. But when they went, they did not find the body.
When they were perplexed about this, behold, two men stood by them in dazzling apparel. And they were naked and lowered their heads to the ground. The men said to them, why do you seek the living among the dead? Remember how he told you while he was still in Galilee,
That the Son of the Man must be delivered in the into the hands of men. We but and on the last day they will
and you remember this one. And turning from the tomb, they told all this to the 11 and to the rest.
No?
It was Mary Magdalene, John, and Mary the mother of James, and the other with them who told this to their friends.
But this one said to them, I don't know. And they did not believe.
Very good. So he